If you are looking for a dumpster rental in Middletown, Ohio, one name stands out for reliable waste management solutions: Silverback haulers. From compact options for smaller projects to large containers for major construction sites, Silverback haulers offers a comprehensive range of dumpster sizes to accommodate any project. With our commitment to excellence and dedication to customer satisfaction, we are your go-to source for all your dumpster rental needs. We provide reliable, affordable, and hassle-free service every step of the way. With streamlined process, we ensure prompt delivery and pickup, allowing your project to stay on schedule and within budget. With Silverback haulers, you can trust that your dumpster will be delivered when you need it and picked up once your project is complete. Don't let waste slow you down. Trust Silverback haulers for all your dumpster rental needs in Middletown, Ohio, by calling 513-833-7144. Check what our satisfied customers have to say about their experience with us by visiting www.silverbackhaulers.com. Dumpster Rental Middletown OH. You can learn more about our services and can schedule your dumpster rental delivery in a matter of minutes. Silverback haulers have got your back. Give us a call and get started today.